Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, my friends. If you are new to my channel, my name it is John. I am from Romania and I like to talk about online entrepreneur and make money online. Before I start talking about the strategy that I am about to share with you, I want to tell you that I am posting weekly videos in this topic. And before I start show you the strategy from today, I want to tell you, if you take a tour of my channel, you may find some things useful. You can help me with a like, and the algorithm of YouTube will show this video to some other people. Comment down below if you start make some money on the internet or not. You can consider subscribing with a bell notification on so I can alert you whenever I bring another value video to you. Today I am going to show you a strategy where you need to combine 4 platforms in order to make money. Watch this video until the end, because I am going to show you the free version of this strategy that can start make some money for you, but also I am going to show you the paid version where you can scale this business as much as you want. Let's start with first platform, which is Emojipedia.org, in case that you are using the desktop version in order to make this strategy work for you. Here you can find emoji that help you create call to action to a specific link. The next platform that you are going to use is Instagram. Create a free account on Instagram related to make money online niche and use emoji to do your account more professional. If you do not have idea what you should post into your account, no problem. Search for other account in make money online niche, take a screenshot of the post and pay attention at the person who created the post. Post it into your Instagram account and bring the name of the person who created the post into your post, and this is fine. In every post do not forget to use 30 hashtags in this niche so you can be in front of more people. The next platform that you need to use it is Feature Point. Relax, I know that you have seen this app on my channel once again, but this time I want to show you another way to make money with this app. With this app you can do something like affiliate marketing because you have a referral code. Do not spam this link on the internet because it is not going to work this way. You need to do it professionally. So take the referral link, go to bit.ly.com and short this link. This way you will always know how many people click on this link and how many people register here. So take this bit.ly link, you can customize it whatever you want and bring it into your bio in Instagram account. Now that you have set up everything, the free way to get traffic it is on Instagram with posts that have good engagement and post it into your profile. Exact the way I teached you. Pay attention, no more than 3 posts per day. You can share your Instagram in Facebook groups, you can go and find forum on internet related to make money online and join them and start talk to them and so on. And the easy way but with paid traffic it is with a site like simpletraffic.co. Here you have price range between $15 per month, which is great for start, 15,000 visitors per month, you can still make a lot of money, and $400 per month with 20,000 visitors per month. You have 5 days free trial, and after that you are going to be charged, so you can see that the service it is great and worth the money. Pay attention, you are going to promote your Instagram page, not the referral code, so you can warm up your cold audience. You can make the link from your Instagram with bit.ly as well, so you see how many people come to your page every day. Best to choose your audience in United States of America. This kind of app make a lot of money for America, so you can earn more money. And I think the most important thing is what you get out this work. Well, you get 50% from every person that register here and make money by using your referral code. So if someone make $1,000, that person still get $1,000 and you get $500. This is from just one person. If you bring 100 person and each and every one of them make money, you make money passive. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked my video, hit that like button and comment down below what your opinion about this strategy. Is it hard to implement or not? You can take a look around the channel and you may find some things useful. You can consider subscribing with the bell notification on so you will be first to know whenever I bring another value video to you. John from Romania. I wish you all the best.